Hello? Hello?
Oh.
Nalpasan?
Well.
Kasi lang? Andiyan lang? Talaga?
Here's a piece from the sticks and sound that doesn't move. Is this the train to desert moon? Was all she said. But I knew I've heard that strange voice before. I turned to look into her eyes, but she moved away. She was standing in the rain, trying hard to speak my name. They say first love never runs dry. The way to put the memories in a tiny car. We stumble over words we long to hear. We talk about the dreams we've lost, given up. When the whistle caught the night and shook silence from my life, as the last train rolled towards the moon. Those summer nights when we were young, we brag of things we'd never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers. And in our haste to grow up too soon, we left our innocence on desert moon. We were dreamers, only dreamers on desert moon, on desert moon, on desert moon, desert Still can hear the whisper of the summer nights. It echoes in the corners of my heart. The night is true and waiting for the desert train. All the words we meant to say, all the chances slipped away, still remain on the road to wonder. Those summer nights when we were young, we brag of things we'd never done. We were dreamers, only dreamers. Moments pass and time moves on, but dreams remain for just as long as the dreamers. All the dreamers on desert moon, on desert moon, on desert moon, desert moon.
Okay, karupa, Richard Markwet. Kalpasan iti desert mo, dito mo iti sonata ng napauluan. Bareng. Bareng.
There I was, waiting for a chance, hoping that you'll understand the things I wanna say. But my love, stronger than before. I wanna see you more and more, but you close the door. Why don't you try to open up your heart? I won't take so much
just needed someone near. I'm not looking forward to the night I'd spend thinking of you when you're not here. How many times will I think about the things I'd like to do? Oh, was it not the right to live my life the way I want? I want to share it with you. Close your eyes, I want to ride on the skies in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to see you tonight in my sweet dreams. I think of your kiss as the day roll by, and I write the words you love. What I can say in a letter will just have to wait till I get home. There's not much time to tell you half the things that I should. Only that I'm so glad I fell in love with you. And I'd do it again if I could. Close your eyes, I want to ride in the skies in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to see you tonight in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to ride in the skies in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to see you tonight in my sweet dreams. Like a child resting deep. You don't know what you give me, I'll keep for this moment alone. Close your eyes, I want to ride in the skies in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to see you tonight in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to ride in the skies in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to see you tonight in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to ride in the skies in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to see you tonight in my sweet dreams. Close your eyes, I want to ride in the skies in my sweet dreams.
Ngarod, karo ba?
Baho.
Basa. Oh. Basa mo dito yung message ni Manang Darlene. Before nga kantahin, tapos marunong nga sonata ta.
Ading June, intong na last portion nyo. Ragasak mantik kanta nga Miracle. And dedicated to Balvin Clans, my BFF Milanyo for Ronda, Balong Melvin, Basang Joanna, Toy Carubaya and FDD pages. Admins, Kuyang Ephraim, Batmos of Batmos. All to my kids. Good night because di ko KB and my younger bro.
Wow, thank you very much, Manang Darlene.
Tapit dagyo ako tapit toy.
Apo ka aruba amin tayo kat
Thank
Adda
you.
iti pamatin ang may isang aldaw mo tong palaming nga rapa aptay babaan iti may isang milagro nga mahungkuna kat hang apong ada yung mapasamak dayta no danggayam iti panagkunay pamati kan rapa ap ngarod may isa apong rapa ap daytoy may isa nga milagro. May himala from the stylistics. Formal tayo dapat formal na nga ganito. Formal. Okay, para sa mga nasa labas ng booth. The sun belongs to the sky. The leaf belongs to the tree. The grape belongs to the vine. And you belong to me. Isn't it a miracle? It's another miracle. Thank God for the miracle. You belong to me. I used to think the time was just a thing to pass away. Love was just a game that children play. God was just another word to say. And so was something in a song, and I put down the fools who said that life is meaningful. Laugh when someone mentioned miracle. Cry 'cause such things were impossible. And then you came along.
I put down the fools who said that life is meaningful. Laugh when someone mentioned miracle. Cry 'cause such things were impossible. And then you came along.
Sabi apong nga sunatang mapaimat kini